Hi, my name is Rick Sanchez. I'm with a company called Tractor Tip, and what we have for sale here today is a Bomag BW145 PDH-3. The PD stands for a Padfoot. This is a Padfoot compactor. The serial number of this machine is 901-581-49108. I'm going to leave that last digit blank. We're going to talk a little bit about the mechanics of this particular machine in the first clip, the operating specs in the second, and we'll run it in the third. This machine, to buy a machine like this new, it's probably about $95,000–$100,000. I'm not real sure. I know that they're bumping $100,000. The hours on this machine are 994 hours. And we do believe that to be the original hour meter, based on what we were told by the guy that we bought it off of. As far as manufacturers go, Bomag is a German-built compactor. They are well known to build the most solid, reliable compaction equipment out there. Nobody beats a Bomag. Not even Caterpillar or anybody else. Dynapack, I mean, they're just bulletproof. As far as the weight of this machine is actually, I was reading this, it says 5,900 kg, but it actually weighs 12,000 US pounds. The widest point is 5'8". That's this strike-off blade right here, push blade. The tallest point is the top of that cab at 9'3". The transportation length from the front of this cutting edge to the rear of that counterweight is 14 feet. Comparable machines are like a Ham 3205, an Ingersoll Rand SD45, maybe a Cat CP323. As far as options go, this machine, as you can see, has got a strike-off blade, and that's pretty much it, right, Tank?
Yes.
The engine is a Dyna 3054. This machine's got a 29-gallon fuel tank, which will run you 15 to 20 hours of operation, depending on your application. This machine is mechanically sound. There's no leaks. The transmission is a hydrostatic transmission. You got 2 speeds, slow and rabbit and turtle, slow and fast. As far as the history of this unit goes, this machine, like almost all the machines we purchase, is an original owner Dallas, Texas machine. It's rust free. I mean, you can see where the paint's been rubbed off, and you know, the guy that we bought it from, he actually kind of put some paint on there, but probably shouldn't have done that because it makes it look like hell. But anyway, this paint is where you see some surface rust. It's just where the paint's flecked off and the rainwater's gotten to it. We're 300 miles from the ocean, far enough south, so the only salt we see is the salt on our kitchen tables. We do not work in a corrosive environment at all. The company that I bought this off of, we buy from, every machine we purchase comes from one of about 30 different contractors and municipalities here in the Metroplex that we know and trust and deal with. This particular machine came from a contractor. We bought a lot of machines from them, and they bought a lot of machines from us. We've been happy with all the machines that we purchased from them, and it should be said that before I purchase any machine, my mechanics thoroughly inspect it, and then I inspect it before I write a check. As far as the tires go, those tires are about 95%. These are the original tires. I'm not too familiar with that tire size, but it's a 340/85 radial 24. The centrifugal force of this machine on high is 22,500 pounds. The low centrifugal force is 11,000 pounds. The hydraulics on this machine are strong. There's no cracks or welds anywhere in the work equipment. All of the pins and the bushings in this little blade assembly here are tight. You know, the drum doesn't leak at all. The cutting edge right here is about 95%. It's never been turned. This drum height right here is 48 inches tall, 4 foot tall, and it's 57 inches wide. As you can see, these pads are like 97%. I mean, they're good to go. As far as things wrong with this machine, I can't think of anything wrong. Can you think?
No. It's
a good running compactor, and I guess that's about it. We'll run it in the next clip. Okay, so this is the inside of the cab, so to speak. Here's your emergency shutoff. There's your hour meter, 994 hours. It's got a deal for lights, but this unit does not have any lights on it. This is your low and high frequency. Here's your turtle, and in terms of travel speed, here's your horn. This is your forward and reverse. That pedal right there is for your blade control. This right here is your RPMs. This is the seat here. That's pretty much it. These are good rollers. One thing I forgot to show is that all the lights work.